In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up AppCleaner to completely wipe apps from your Mac, way more effectively than the standard method. This tool helps you scrub those hidden cache files and configurations that usually get left behind. First off, if you're a homebrew user, just pop open Terminal and run brew search AppCleaner. Once it shows up, go ahead and install it using brew install -- cask AppCleaner. Now, if you're not really into the technical stuff and prefer the standard way, no worries. Open your browser and search for AppCleaner Mac. Head over to freemacsoft.net. I'll drop the link in the description. Scroll down to the download section. You'll see a few versions for different macOS releases. Since I'm running macOS Tahoe, I'm grabbing version 3.6.8. Once the download is finished, you'll get a zip file. Unzip it and you'll see appcleaner.app. You can actually run this from anywhere, but to keep things organized, I recommend copying it into your Applications folder. Since it's the first time, click Open. The interface is super clean, but we need to tweak one thing first. Go to the AppCleaner menu, select Settings, then head over to the Smart Delete tab and toggle it on. This feature is great because whenever you delete an app the regular way, AppCleaner automatically hunts down the related files and asks if you want to trash them too. To make this work, we need to grant some permissions. Open System Settings. Go to Privacy and Security and find Accessibility. Make sure the toggle for AppCleaner is on. Then, go back and do the same for full disk access. This allows the app to scan your library and system folders to find every last bit of junk. From here on out, you don't even need to keep AppCleaner open. Let's test it. I'm going to uninstall Asphalt 8 the old-fashioned way. Right-click and move to Trash. AppCleaner immediately pops up with a list of all the hidden files associated with the game. Just hit Remove and you're all set. Clean and simple.